PraxiLabs is a 3D virtual science lab designed to make it easier for students to understand physics, chemistry, and biology experiments. It recently received a Great User Experience Award from Finances Online, a site that specializes in software evaluation. The lecturers and the students can access PraxiLabs to conduct experiments anytime and anywhere with a computer, tablet, or smartphone. The experiments are available in both English and Arabic. PraxiLabs can also be integrated and used with most school or university learning management systems. The physics virtual labs consist of tens of 3D interactive physics experiments, including electricity, magnetism, heat and thermodynamics, electronics, modern physics, waves, and more. As for chemistry virtual labs, they include most of the well-known general, analytical, and organic chemistry experiments. The biology virtual labs will also help students easily understand the steps of common biology experiments, which they usually don't have access to. All labs include support files and videos to guide students through the steps of the experiments step by step. In addition to exercises, quizzes, and tests that all complement all aspects and styles of learning. PraxiLabs, a virtual world of science in your hands. Get your free trial version today. www.praxilabs.com